Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So I got about 2 pounds of fresh pigeon peas in the market this morning. So I'm going to chew some pigeon peas for lunch today. So watch me how I shell the peas and prepare the meal. Now this bowl is full with the peas unshelled. So when they are shelled, they basically have this mass. So here we go. So I'm done shelling the peas, and this is what I got. I spent maybe about an hour and a half shelling the peas. So this is what I got. So on to cooking the peas, I'm going to wash it off first and then begin the process of cooking the peas. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. I already added about 2 tablespoons of oil, and we added about 2 garlic cloves and a finely chopped. That is some smoked chicken bones. A few pieces. I'm pouring the ingredients as we go along, okay guys? Okay. Now we're going to add the onions. One onion finely chopped. Letting these saute for a few minutes. So my mom added about a teaspoon of brown sugar. She's the chef today, as you can see. My mom is a chef today. I'm going to add some pieces of pumpkin. Maybe about 1 cup of pumpkin. And mix up that together. We're adding some black pepper. About a half teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're going to add the pigeon peas, fresh pigeon peas. Now we're going to add some homemade green seasoning. That's about a tablespoon of homemade green seasoning. Yeah, baby. I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes.
Cover it and let it steam.
Okay, we're going to cover it and let it steam. Instructions from Chef Mom. We're adding about a teaspoon of homemade pepper sauce.
You're afraid it, so I don't want to put too much.
We're putting about a half a teaspoon of soy sauce to give it a little extra flavor and a little color. So here's the peas coming along really nicely. Nice color and everything. We added about a total of 2 teaspoons of soy sauce for the color. That's looking really nice. And we added water to allow the peas to cook properly. So we should be finished in a short while. Okay folks, so here's my stewed fresh pigeon peas. I forgot to mention that the smoked bones that I use, this is optional. You really have to add that. But I just wanted to add some meat to my dish, and I had that there in the fridge. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.